In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript in Brave browser. Let's get started by launching the Brave browser on your device. You'll want to make sure Brave is up and running before we dive into the settings. It's always a good idea to start from the home page, as this ensures you are in the right place to begin navigating through the browser's options. Once you've got Brave open, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the main menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This icon is sometimes called the hamburger menu because of its appearance. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to the browser's settings and options. It's an important step because it gives you access to the various configurations you might need to adjust. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Settings option and give it a click. This will take you to a new page dedicated to all of the browser's settings. This area is like the control center of Brave. Here, you can make adjustments to suit your browsing preferences and enhance your security. Next up, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Look for an option labeled Privacy and Security and click on it. This section is crucial for managing the security aspects of your browsing experience. Ensuring your privacy settings are correct can help protect your data and make your browsing safer. After that, you should see a variety of options in the center panel. Focus on the one labeled Site Settings and click it. This is where you can manage how websites interact with your browser. It's an important place to visit if you want to control what kind of content websites can display or execute. With that ready, scroll down the page until you reach the Content section, where you'll find the JavaScript option. Click on JavaScript to open up its settings. JavaScript is a key component for many websites to function properly. By enabling it, you ensure that websites display content as intended. At this point, you will see two options. Look for the radio button labeled Sites Can Use JavaScript and select it. This action will enable JavaScript across all the sites you visit using Brave. Enabling JavaScript is important because it allows interactive elements on web pages to work correctly. Without it, certain functionalities like videos, games, and even some navigation elements may not operate as they should. After making this change, you can rest assured knowing that your settings are updated. It's always a good idea to periodically check this setting to ensure it remains as you desire. Also, keep in mind that enabling JavaScript can improve your browsing experience by allowing sites to load more dynamically. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled JavaScript in the Brave browser. With this feature turned on, your web experience will be much richer and more engaging. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more helpful tutorials in the future.